Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Realme 14T won't send MMS messages. So let's start the video. First of all, check your network connection works properly or not. After check your network connection, then swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on your mobile data. After turn on your mobile data, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then click on app management and then scroll down and click on messages app. Now click on storage usage and here you can clear the cache memory and data of messages app. After clear the data and messages cache and memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and then click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and then enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.